award-winning author and creative makeup artist, and I am partnering with Mehron to show you how to do this easy-to-follow vampire makeup look perfect for Halloween or for any situation where you might find yourself needing to appear like the undead. Both transformations started off with applying the white cream to the face with sponges, and also applying this down onto the neck, the chest, and the ears, especially depending on how both Kyle or I were styling our hair, and this was something very important not to forget. After that, I went in and contoured both of our faces with the black cream along the cheekbones, the temples, down into the eye socket, along the jaw, into the collarbone. After that, I then set our faces with the powder puff everywhere, then along the neck and the chest, and of course the ears. After that, I went in with the eye powder and the brush, but also I am not ashamed to admit I used my fingers quite a bit. This is nature's best tool. I followed along the shape of our eyes, but I also wanted to create something a little bit sharper, something a little bit more intense, and this created really the perfect smoky eye. I went in with the eye pencil and followed in the waterline to again create this perfect smoky eye. Then I went in with the flat liner brush and the red cream and created the perfect red lip. Then I went in with the black cream paint again and went into the center of the lip to create something a little bit more vampiric, something that had more depth and that was a little bit darker. And then I dabbed my lips together, and that helped spread this cream a little bit more, and it helped meld the colors together. And then I went in with the stage blood and really tilted my head back and forth, which helped create kind of the perfect drip, and went in with my fingers, again, nature's best tool. And this helped me kind of get more control, but also get more of a natural look to that blood, because I wanted this to look messy, look more organic and natural as, well, feasting upon a person can look. Then I went in and put this blood all over my neck, but I would advise that you change into whatever vampire costume you are going to wear, because, well, things will get messy. And there you have it, the perfect vampire look.